Hi guys, it's my first time doing a mini vlog, so please don't judge me. I recently got my birthday gift, which is a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is something that I want because I told my boyfriend that I want to start content creation. So he's very supportive, so he got me this for my birthday, and I wanted this. This was really my first choice because I reviewed a lot of good feedback about this camera, how it is user-friendly for first-time vloggers or content creators. I got the standard combo. The reason why is I had ideas on what are the accessories that I want. For those people who are thinking or wondering what's in the standard combo, this is it. So basically you will get the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So it has its case, the same as the creator combo, and then this is the case. So like that. Okay, that's good. And then this is the Osmo Pocket 3. So we just switch it on. This doesn't come with SD card, so make sure that when you buy this one, buy also the SD card. And also don't make the same mistake that I did, because I just got something that I wanted as an SD card, and it turns out that it's not compatible with the device or the Osmo Pocket 3. Go to their website and the DJI website, and there is recommended SD cards that really works well with this. This device takes 4Ks and high quality video, so it really needs something that is the memory card is really fast, or to be short, like compatible. Aside from the camera itself, you will have a battery handle. So it is called battery handle because it charges the device and also extends the height of it, or the, see how it became longer. So that's it. So you can charge it here as well. So if you have tiny hands like me, this is actually okay for me because it fits perfectly with my hands. But for those who want to make it the handle longer, you can use this. Plus it prolongs the battery life. You will get a lanyard with it. I'm still trying how to put it because apparently the hole is so small. And this is the charger. Is it? Yeah, it's both type C, so end-to-end type C. That's it, because it's a standard combo. He bought it. The retail price for this is, I think it's 1,900 AED, more or less. We bought it in Sharaf DG. The difference between the standard combo and the creator combo is, I think, 500 dirhams. So let's go to the other part, which is the accessories that I bought, because I'm really excited. First that I bought myself is this travel case. So this is where I want to put, this is everything, including the accessories. It's like a hard case. This is how it looks like inside. So it has a specific slot for each spaces, so it's really intended for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So put it here, put it like this. This is it. Since the standard combo doesn't come with the tripod, I actually ordered like this. It's a stand tripod. This is, I got it. So it's a stand tripod. So the creator combo I think have this with it as a package. I bought this in a separate, and it's cheaper actually. A dupe, if you must call it. Next is the magnetic mount. This is something that I've watched in most of the videos, those who have DJI, because it's really super strong when it comes to magnet. There you go. So it's like this. Plus, it's a magnet and you can use it as stand. Yeah. So it's a dual purpose. This one is also like a stand. I think it's like a stabilizer. It's very simple. You just put it like this. And it shows the DJI. Aside from the accessories, I've also bought some of the filters. So I've read that there are a lot of filters for the DJI, and since I only have the standard combo, I didn't have the wide lens. So I got this from K&F Concept. It's a wide lens magnet. Hey, can you see it? Yeah, that's it. So you just take this one, same as the one in Creator. It's a magnet. Charan. So it's like that. So that's the wide lens. Now for the filters, I got it from Neewer, whatever you would pronounce them. So I got 4 filters from them. So this is it. And there's specific filters that you can get. And each filter has its own filter. Each filter has its own use. So most of them are, if it's too bright, you can put this. I will create a different video for that, maybe one of these days. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching throughout the video. And as a new content creator, please support my page, even YouTube. I will start creating videos and posting it on TikTok or Instagram and even YouTube. So my content will be a vast, like travel, UGC, something that I would like to do. This is the final product, or yeah, everything. These are the filters, and then the wide lens. You can actually put the lens here, the wide, and then the SD card reader, but I feel more safe if it's in the case, because it's very sensitive. And yeah, the only thing that I wasn't able to fit is the magnet mount. So I think I have to look for something how to attach it here or somewhere. So the lenses comes with the wipers, which are good actually for the price. That's it. Thank you so much again, guys, for hanging with me. This is T. See you next time.